Hey guys, it's Beardo back again with White Rock Dodge, and if you remember a couple weeks ago we had that red Willys at Epic Adventure Outfitters. It's back, and I want to take a look at that leather that we had done with United Leather. Let's go take a look. So the leather was done by United Leather here in British Columbia, and they do really good work for us, especially on the Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators. In this Willys, we did the full leather seating package as well as heated and cooled seats, which is pretty cool because you can't get cooled seats. And believe me when I say it works pretty well, which is great on hot days. And then on top of that, we've had the dash as well covered in leather. And that looks amazing, and it looks just like factory, just like it would when it came from Chrysler themselves. And we also did it on the door panels, which also looks awesome. Just a couple of side notes and cool little features of this Epic lifted Gladiator Willys in Firecracker red. Epic Adventure Outfitters decided to put on these awesome decals. There is a topographical map decal that's on the hood, which looks amazing, especially from the driver's seat. And then they put new Willys badging on the side and a new four-wheel drive logo on the back, all of which have this cool grungy aesthetic to them, and they look amazing. Now we are really excited to be able to offer leather inside of Willys, which normally comes with cloth, and give you heated and cooled seats, which is just a great bonus for not that much more money. So it's a really fantastic product. They did a great job. United Leather here in British Columbia, amazing work. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys next time. Please hit that subscribe button and like button. It helps us out huge with that pesky algorithm. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.